In this video, you'll learn how to automate meeting reminders using Calendly. By following these steps, you will set up reminders that can help keep your invitees informed about upcoming meetings. Begin by navigating to the Calendly website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Calendly. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface, which includes options for scheduling and managing your meetings. Next, locate the Workflows option in the main menu. This is usually found on the left sidebar of the screen. Clicking on Workflows will take you to a page where you can create and manage various workflows associated with your meetings. After that, click on the See All Workflows link. This will display a list of any existing workflows you may have created. If this is your first time, the page may appear empty, which is normal. Once this appears, look for the Add Workflow button, which allows you to create a new workflow. Upon clicking this button, you'll be prompted to choose a template for your workflow. Select the email reminder to invitee template, as it specifically caters to sending reminders via email. Then, type in a name for your workflow in the provided field. This name should be descriptive enough to help you easily identify this workflow later. Make sure to choose a name that reflects its purpose, such as meeting reminder workflow. Now select which event types this workflow will apply to. You will see a list of your available event types. Choose the event types that you want the reminders to be associated with. This selection is crucial as it determines when the reminders will be sent. Next, specify the timing for when the reminders should be sent. You will have options to select hours or days before the event. This flexibility allows you to customize reminder timings according to your preferences or the needs of your... After that, check or edit the Do This section, where you can confirm the actions that will be taken when the reminder is triggered. Ensure that this section is correctly set up to send email reminders as intended. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize your workflow setup. A confirmation message will typically appear, indicating that your workflow has been successfully saved. Ensure that you see this confirmation before navigating away from the page. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.